I'm wanting to be like, let's study this, right? Let's go further because there's nothing. And clinicians don't even know how to recognize if someone has been experiencing religious trauma, like specifically, let's say conversion therapy from being gay, or they've been kicked out of their family home and their community. Like, and they don't know how to interact with the world, and they've lost all of this parts of themselves at once. And it's devastating. Like, if you've lost one friend or one lover, how devastating can that be? Imagine losing your entire community. Like, that's so painful. And just because they might still be alive, but if they've rejected you, that's still a form of grief.
Oh my gosh,
you know?
yes.
And so, and that was one of the most, like, it was at a bar, and I was talking about my relationship with my parents, and this person was like, Rebekah, it sounds like you're grieving, like they're grieving you, like the girl they wanted you to be. And I was like, that's deep. I was like, that's really deep. But anyways, so it's just like, there's a lot of reasons, I think, why it hasn't been. And specifically Christian hegemony being one of those.